You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there, everyone. It is Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm coming to you because we got a new mystery box, and we got a new cutie, and we get some new things in the mystery box. So this one's going to be the Cricut Festival of Lights mystery box. So let's see what things we have for you in the box. Here I am, guys. This is the new true yellow cutie. He is like a lemon. Sunshine or a lemon. Another new thing we're getting is glow-in-the-dark iron-on. You can't have a festival of lights without glowing, right? So we have glow-in-the-dark iron-on. This is new from Cricut. If you have not tried this yet, try it. I love it, and it's so vivid and bright when you do it. You're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of glow-in-the-dark. Here's a picture of one of the projects I did with my glow-in-the-dark iron-on, and this was just from turning the lights off. Like, that's how vivid this is. So if you have not tried the Cricut glow-in-the-dark, must try. Not only are you going to get this in the box, but also brand new, you're going to get the glow-in-the-dark vinyl also. So you're going to get the glow-in-the-dark vinyl and the iron-on. This is going to be 12 by 24 inches also. I think this is a really neat box. This really has a plethora of different things on it. So we'll go ahead and get into the rest of it. All right, we are going to get premium removable vinyl, and that is in this beautiful tangerine color. Beautiful fall decor, squash, pumpkins and stuff. And we're also going to get some Sports Flex iron-on, and this is in the All-Star sampler. So we're going to get 3 different colors here. We have the red, the black, and the white. And this is perfect for your workout wear, like spandex and such. And we're getting some foil also, guys. So you are going to get 12 by 48 inches of this beautiful adhesive foil. Think of the holiday projects you can use this on. And we're also getting some pens in this. So glitter gel, again, sparkly, love it. So we're getting these 5 colors here in the Brights pen set. So these are glitter gel, love the glitter. And you're gonna get pink, blue, purple, this orangish, and green in the glitter gel set. And next up in the box is we're getting a cosmetic bag, guys. So these are perfect, especially and old it up. With Christmas coming, go ahead and personalize a bag. If you know somebody who's gonna be a bride, these are really popular for like emergency makeup thing the day of the wedding. You got somebody just get into makeup, make them their own personalized cosmetic bag. This will make a great gift for Christmas. And that's not all in the box because you guys ask time and time again, can we get like some cardstock in the box? Well, guess what, guys? We got some cardstock, and not just any cardstock. Perfect for the holidays. Black glitter cardstock. And you're going to get 10 of the 12 by 12 sheets. So you're going to get 10 12 by 12 sheets of the glitter cardstock. So get this ready for your holiday projects because I know you guys are already working hard on those. So there you go, guys. That is everything that is in the Cricut's Festival of Lights mystery box. Oh, no, it's not. Actually, I forgot something. And the pens. Let's not forget the glitter pens. So like I said, you're getting a plethora of different stuff here. We have some brand new iron-on and vinyl, the glitter gel markers, and then we got that black glitter cardstock. And we also have a cosmetic bag. So because we get our cutie, our true yellow cutie here, whenever there's a cutie, it is Cricut Access only. That means you have to be access to buy. But don't worry, because links are below to join access. Links are also below in the video description to go ahead and purchase the box. And quantities are limited. And whenever we get a new friend, they go pretty quickly. The price of the box is $59.99. But it's not, because you still get your access discount on top of it. So that is it today, guys. Go ahead, click the like, click the subscribe. Thank you guys for watching with us today. We hope you all have a wonderful day. And until next time, happy crafting, everyone. Bye. Toodles from Alex. I always got to do tools from Alex. It just doesn't seem right if I don't. Now here's a shout out to a few of our Platinum Plus subscribers on Patreon.com. Connie, Judy, Peggy, Renelle, Maria, Robin, Cynthia, Liz, Karen, Tina, Angela, Leah, Pamela, Karen, Janice, Tammy, Marie, and Sharon. Thank you, everyone.